13 unread messages, 10 missed calls.
These buttons are so small. I don't know who was calling me.
Don't worry, Grandpa. Just download Senior Safety Phone on your mobile.
Senior Safety Phone has a simple and large screen. Your frequently called contacts are displayed on the home page, along with your favorite applications. Add new application to your favorites. For fast dialing, select a contact from the top row. Press the call button. You may also dial using a large number pad. Add a favorite contact to the home screen. Customize your settings. The volume lock prevents seniors from making accidental changes to the volume settings. You can lock volume for voice calls, ringtones, notification, media, alarm, and system notification. If you like Senior Safety Phone, then make it your default launcher. Make your mobile experience easier by using Senior Safety Phone. Download it now from the Google Play Store.